Unlock the power of direct mail campaigns directly from your Dealmachine platform to reach more leads. First, from your Dealmachine dashboard, navigate to the direct mail section, typically found on your main menu. Next, select your mailing leads. Choose from existing lists or individually pick properties by checking boxes. Dealmachine offers flexible targeting options. With recipients chosen, select your mail type. Dealmachine offers postcards and letters. Consider which format best suits your message and campaign goals. Now, either pick from Dealmachine's pre-designed templates or customize your own. The intuitive editor allows you to add text, images, and branding. Ensure your call to action is clear. Before sending, always review your entire campaign. Double-check the design, confirm your recipient list, and verify the total estimated cost. Take your time to ensure everything looks perfect. Finally, once satisfied, click Send Mail or Confirm Order. Dealmachine will then process, print, and mail physical campaigns directly to your chosen leads, streamlining outreach. That's how easy it is to manage direct mail campaigns within Dealmachine, boosting your marketing reach. Subscribe for more Dealmachine tips.